100% do it.
I know they can do it. It's me. So.
You got it.
Just got to back yourself. You'll be right. Keep your seatbelt on. If you're running out of drive, chuck your hazards on. Keep your seatbelt on the whole time. I'll come and see you and make sure you're okay. So once your hazard lights are on, just stop everything. Because then I'll come up the hill and guide you down. If need be. Have you got your UHF in there?
All right.
Hey guys, this is Team Off Road in the Springs 4x4 Park, where we have a red hot treat for you today, and that is a tank. But this isn't any ordinary tank. This is a pink tank driven by the ladies. You heard it, the ladies, and I reckon the girls can get it done. The pressure's on. Get in the big pink tank. Get it done. She's so nervous. So that pink tank. Follow this rig of the tank. Best of luck, mate. You've got this.
Quickly, can you?
Yeah, the girls. Let's get it done.
Good luck, Bob. You got it.
Seatbelts are on. You've got some big fat tyres that you put on it. So you pop them on when you come to the park. Super nervous. How you feeling? You good? Feeling good? That was a committed drive. Awesome and well done. So obviously you got to get back up to where you were, but when you come back, just go back like half a metre and then give it a bump.
Yeah.
Don't come all the way back because there's so much water there now, as you guys will be able to see.
Yeah.
It'll make it trickier and trickier. But I'll walk with you now when you get to the next bit. That'll do. Go from there. Nah, other way. Go straight up the hill from there. Go forward. Go, go, go. So she's at the eco fly sign. She's nearly there. Go, 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 go. Still good? Go back a little bit more. Back a little bit. Try that. let the car settle in. Is your front locker on? It's on. Just go straight back.
Is it not going?
Not for a second. It didn't. It did in the end.
Okay.
It just didn't work straight away.
Yep, yep.
Just straighten up. Yeah, go back at that. Keep going. Whoop. Go left hand down. Passenger down. Slow, slow, slow. Whoop. Go hard that way. Whoop. Just try and crawl. See if you can get the front of the car over. Don't gas it. Just try and crawl to skid the car across. Just trying to reposition you a little bit. Stop there. Go passenger down and go back. So the car's in a pretty good spot. Passenger down, passenger, passenger. Yeah, right. Keep going. It'll be right. Keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop there. Now back into that way. Driver down. Just try and get a little bit of momentum and then squeeze the power on. Don't gas it straight away because it'll slide the car across. So just squeeze the power in. It bounces back over. So the secret is to get the front of your car on the edge of that bank. Squeeze some power, let it find some traction because the wheels are spinning that fast, they're not finding any traction. So just try and squeeze the power on from there. You're on a good line. Just come forward, don't go back. Squeeze it on, squeeze it on, squeeze it on. Beautiful! Yes!
Woo! I can't believe that. Oh my
How do you
God.
feel?
Oh, it's like I think I screamed the whole like.
Oh, you did it.
I can't believe I did it. Oh,
Wow.
first time too.
Well done.
Ah.
Pressure's on now.